What's up everyone, Donnie Nguyen here from Wolves of Investing. Welcome back to another episode of One Stock at a Time, where I buy one single share of stock at a time on Robinhood, where trades are commission free. Today I'm going to be buying one single share of Mastercard stock. First, I'm going to tell you why I like Mastercard stock. Then I'm going to log into my Robinhood account on my laptop and buy that one single share of Mastercard. But as always, before we start, I've got to give you guys my quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Anything I discuss here is my own opinion and should only be used for informational purposes. Hello again everyone. Before I talk about Mastercard stock, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell icon which shows up after you hit the subscribe button, and you can be notified every time I post a new video. And if you're not signed up for Robinhood yet, you can use my referral link which is in the video description below. If you sign up with that link, both you and I will get one free share of stock on Robinhood. Now that only works if you sign up with someone's referral link. So if you don't use mine, be sure to sign up with someone else's. And if you want to learn more about investing in stocks, be sure to sign up for my free ebook on wolvesofinvesting.com, and the link is also in the video description below. So why do I like Mastercard? As legendary investor Peter Lynch says, invest in what you know. I carry multiple credit cards in my wallet, but my go-to card is my Mastercard. It pays 2% cash back every time I use it, and I pretty much use it 365 days a year. It's just super convenient. Back thousands of years ago, people used to transact in gold and silver. But it's difficult to store and transport gold and silver. So society wisened up and invented currency, such as coins and cash, or as Robert Kiyosaki likes to call it, funny money. Fast forward to today, and cash has its own set of problems. If you lose $1,000 in cash, you're pretty much out of that cash. You're not going to get it back. If you lose $1,000 on your credit card, you're only liable for up to $50. So credit cards are super convenient, a lot safer than cash and gold. And that is why I like Mastercard. Now, let's dig into the financials. If you look at the stock chart, Mastercard is pretty much at all-time highs. The PE ratio is over 40, which is pretty high. And the market cap is over $240 billion. So Mastercard stock does look expensive. Does that mean it's going to fall off a cliff? So let's explore a little deeper. The total credit card transaction value increased 40% from 2012 to 2017 to over $6 trillion. Mastercard has about 30% market share. They're behind Visa, but far ahead of Discover and American Express. I believe that credit card transactions will continue to grow and that Mastercard will continue to be a market leader in the space. What about Bitcoin and blockchain as a competitor? That is definitely an unknown factor to consider. However, Mastercard currently does have patents on blockchain and is doing a lot of research on blockchain. So if cryptocurrency gains wide acceptance, that could actually be a plus for Mastercard. Okay, so before I log into my Robinhood account and purchase one single share of Mastercard, Tell me what you guys think about MasterCard stock. If you like it, comment below, charge it. And if you don't like MasterCard stock, leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and log into my Robinhood account. Alright everyone, I'm logged into Robinhood on my laptop. For those of you who are new to Robinhood, let me quickly go over some of the features before I make my purchase of MasterCard. So as you can see, I'm here on MasterCard. First thing they show here is a stock chart of MasterCard. As a long-term investor, I'm primarily concerned with the 1-year chart and the 5-year chart. As you can see, MasterCard is pretty much at an all-time high. Would have been nice to buy it here back in December, but using the one stock at a time strategy, I'm going to be buying MasterCard over the course of 3 or 4 years. So as long as I think MasterCard is reasonably priced, which I do, I'm fine purchasing even at this all-time high. So if we scroll a little further, you have the About section of MasterCard. Basically, it just tells you what MasterCard's all about. MasterCard Inc. operates as a technology company which engages in the payments industry that connects consumers, financial institutions, merchants, governments, and business. It operates through the United States and other countries' geographical segments. Click read more if you want to read more. Here's the CEO, AJ Pal S. Banga. Probably got his name wrong, sorry about that. Market cap 266 billion, 14,800 employees, price to earnings ratio of 43.19, headquarters is in New York, pays a little dividend of 0.570%. Now this part of Robinhood, it shows that MasterCard is in the collections business. And then this part's pretty cool. These 5 buttons, these are pre-built Robinhood search queries. So MasterCard can be found under any of these searches. Business services, banking, finance, payments, and technology. And then there are several news sources that you can get through Robinhood. So here you can see Barron's, Seeking Alpha. Show more, you can see other news sources. CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Reuters. Then you have the section Price Paid on Robinhood. So over the last 52 weeks, the average price paid was $205.70, and it's 26% higher if I purchase it right now, current price. Here you have the analyst ratings. 90% of analysts rated a buy, 10% a hold, and 0 a sell. That's out of 41 ratings. I personally don't put too much weight on the analyst ratings. Here's the earnings. The light colored green dot is the estimated earnings, and the dark colored green dot is the actual earnings. So as you can see here, MasterCard beat earnings expectations the last 7 quarters in a row. Pretty impressive. And you can visually see that here in Q1 of 19, the earnings is higher than Q1 of 2018. And also in Q4 of 2018 versus Q4 of 2017. So earnings are rising. And then this last little section, people also bought. So it shows you, of the people who bought MasterCard, they also bought Visa, PayPal, Microsoft, and Adobe. So this is pretty cool. You can click on one of these companies and learn more about them. So now I'm going to purchase my 1 share of MasterCard. As you all know, I normally only keep enough cash in my account in order to make a purchase. So here I have just under $300 of buying power available. The default setting is a market order, As you all know, I don't like making market orders, so I'm going to go ahead and switch it over to a limit order. I'm going to price it just a little bit higher than whatever the current market price is. So it looks like $2.59.12. I'll price it at $2.59 and let's say 20 cents. I'm going to go ahead and make my purchase of one share. Let's go ahead and review the order and submit the purchase. So it looks like the purchase went through. Got a new position. One share of MasterCard. Execution price $259.13. Commissions paid $0. Total cost $259.13. So there you have it. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the little notification bell after subscribing so that you can get alerted every time I post a new video. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.